Hi my dear students, welcome to science class. In this video I am going to explain you about the digestive system and excretory system. I will move to next chapter, third chapter, the digestive system and excretory system. Let us first take a look over the digestive system. My dear students, we learnt some of important topic related to this chapter in first chapter, food we eat. Okay, here digestion process is taking place when we get food. We know that food, it is not only for filling the stomach or tasting the food. Food is not for taste or filling the stomach. Body getting different essential components from that. Okay, we have learnt about teeth and food we eat. When we eat the food, we have 32 number of teeth. They do their functions. Okay, what happens in mouth? Teeth, they convert the food substances into smaller or simpler substances. This process is called digestion. What is the digestion? Digestion is the process of converting the food into simpler or smaller components, some smaller substances. This is called what? Digestion. The digestion starts from our body. Digestion starts in our body from mouth. The mouth is the first part of digestive system. First, take a look over the organs of the digestive system, my dear students. In digestive system, there are the organs: mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, pancreas, large intestine, small intestine, and anus. All these organs, they are involved in digestion process. Okay, first let us start from mouth. Okay, organs. I have said you all about the organs. They will do different functions in digestive system. First, mouth. In mouth there are 32 teeth. They cut and chop, grind the food and make the food moist with the help of saliva. In the mouth we have saliva, right? There are watery substances inside the mouth is called saliva. That saliva makes the food into moist. After what happens? After grinding, crushing and making it into paste or a smaller particle, afterwards we swallow the food. That food passes through this pipe. That pipe is called food pipe. This pipe is called food pipe. If not saliva, it is difficult to swallow the food. Okay, because the saliva makes the food into moist and soft, and it helps swelling of food through the food pipe. Peristalsis process will on here. Peristalsis means what? Contraction and what? Expansion. Contraction and expansion takes place in the food pipe. That is called peristalsis. Okay, this food pipe connects from mouth to stomach. This food pipe pushes the food down. What is the function of food pipe? The function of food pipe, it pushes the food down and delivers to the stomach. This is called stomach. Next organ is stomach. What is stomach? Stomach is a muscular bag-like structure. This is made up of muscles. Okay, therefore it is called muscular bag. After entering the food, the stomach releases hydrochloric acid and some digestive juices, which helps to break down the food into still smaller or simpler particles. What happened here after entering the food inside the stomach? Stomach releases some gastric juices with the help of pancreas and liver. Actually, the secretion process by these two organs. This is liver. It digests. I will say it afterwards about these two. First, after entering the food, stomach releases HCl and gastric juices, and not gastric juices, digestive juices. Those substances or compounds makes the food into still smaller particles, convert it into paste. This is the function of stomach. Okay, next organ is, my dear, liver. The liver, observe here, this is the umbrella shaped organ which is just appear above the, it is located above the stomach. Its function is secretes the bile. Bile means it is the, it is what? It is some like liquid form and which helps to digest the food. The liver secretes digestive juices, that is called bile, and it is releases to stomach. In stomach, the digestion process will be on. Next, the food mixed with the bile and further convert into still smaller or simpler substances. Okay, this is about liver. Next is pancreas. This is a flat pear-shaped structure around the stomach. Pear-like structure around the stomach, that is called pancreas. This organ appearing, this organ is called pancreas. What is the function of pancreas? Pancreas also releases digestive gas. This helps in breaking down the food. This is about pancreas. Next, my dear students, small intestine. After the food in stomach, it passes to small intestine. In small intestine, the absorption process will be started. What happens in small intestine? Actually, small intestine it is a small, coiled tube-like structure. And one thing important, this is the longest part of the digestive system. And the liver is the longest part of our body, longest organ of our body. Remember this point. Which one is the longest part or longest internal part of our body? Liver. Which one is longest part in digestive system? That is small intestine. Remember these 2 points. Okay. Here absorption of nutrients also takes place in small intestine. The nutrients in the food enter the blood. What we discussed in first chapter, nutrients, they are the components of food. Here the process of absorption will be started in small intestine. After entering the food into small intestine, here absorption process takes place. What else absorption takes place? Absorption of nutrients. We know the nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, roughage, water. All this will be started here. Absorption process will be started. Actually, roughage is not absorbed by the body because there is no enzyme like enzyme of digesting the roughage inside the body. So it is help in the digestion process only, roughage or fibrous. Okay. Next, here the absorption process will be started. Next, my dear student, the next part is what? Small intestine, large intestine. What happens in large intestine? After complete digestion of the food, waste product pass to large intestine, and here that waste matter is called feces. What happens here actually? After the digestion process, the waste product will be sent to large intestine. Large intestine absorb water from the food, and it become waste product, and that waste product is called, or waste matter is called feces. Okay, this is about large intestine. Next, last part of the digestive system is anus. What happen in anus? The excretion process will take place in anus. The phases passed through anus. Understand? This is the last part of digestive system. And actually, from mouth to anus, it is called alimentary canal. Special name of the digestive system. From the different organs from mouth to anus, this system is called alimentary canal. Last stage is anus. Here in anus, waste product or phases passed through it. This is about what, my dear students, digestive system. And you have to remember the functions of each and every organ. I will recall quickly. Just you observe mouth. What happened in mouth? In mouth, this is the first part of the alimentary canal or digestive system. Inside the mouth, teeth are there. With the help of saliva, food make those teeth and the saliva makes the food into soft and moist. And further, it pass through food pipe. Food pipe, it is the narrow tube-like structure. The food pipe connects from mouth to stomach. Connects from mouth to stomach. And the food pipe, what is the function of food pipe? Food pipe passes the food down and deliver to the stomach. What happens in stomach? When it enters to the stomach, actually stomach is a muscular bag structure. When food enters to the stomach, here HCl, hydrochloric acid, and some digestive gases will be released. Secretion process will start, and food mixes with those digestive gases, digestive juices, and hydrochloric acid, make simpler of food substance. And next part is the liver. This is the longest part of our body, and this secretes the enzyme that is called bile, that is the digestive juice. It releases to stomach. And next is pancreas. Pancreas also releases the digestive gas to digestive juices to the stomach and mix very well. Digestion process completely. 90% of digestion takes place here. After that, the food enters to the small intestine. In small, it is a small intestine is a coiled tube-like structure. Here, absorption of nutrients takes place by the body. And next is large intestine. The waste product after digestion, after complete digestion, waste product pass to large intestine. Waste product absorbs the water from the food, water by the body, and make the faces moist. And last organ of the digestive system is anus. Here the waste matter, faces, passes through it. Okay, this is about digestive system. And here are some healthy habitats for digestion given by dear students. Hope you understood very well about digestive system. Let us move to next. Healthy habitats for digestion in textbook. It is given. You have to read properly and understand each and every habitats that we should take. Healthy habitats for digestion. First, chew your food well. What is this? Healthy habitats. Healthy habits, not habitats, habits. Healthy habits for digestion. These habits we should apply to daily life. Healthy habits. What are else are the healthy habits? Here some list given. Observe, chew your food well. When we take the food, we have to chew it very well. It helps to digestion very well. Next, do not talk while eating. When we sit for eating the food, don't talk. Okay. Next, eat at fixed time. We have to fix our routine, daily routine. Fix your time of eating. You have to maintain the same time every day. Do not exercise immediately after eating. This is very important. You have to do the exercise before eating, or after 3 hours you can do the exercise, no problem. Do not overeat. Don't eat too much of food. Okay. Eat only that your body support. Eat a balanced diet to stay healthy and strong. What is balanced diet? We discussed in food we eat. Balanced diet, proper proportion, taking proper proportion of all the nutrients that our body needs to get the energy and healthy body. That is called balanced diet. Yes, drink 6 to 8 glasses of water every day. This is very important for proper digestion. The water component is very essential to our body. So we have to drink the water. How many times? How many glasses? 6 to 8 glasses every day we have to drink the water. Eat enough roughage to remove waste from the body. We have to eat roughage foods. It helps to digest the food and it prevents the constipation. Okay. Eat at least one green vegetable every day. Because greeny vegetables they are rich in roughage, so we have to eat greeny vegetable at least one. Okay. Next is need for chewing good food well. This is about healthy habits for digestion. You have to learn those things. Next is, my dear student, need for chewing food well. Why should we chew the food well? Need for chewing food well. Okay, it is important to eat our body slowly and chew it well. Before the process of digestion, we have to do assisted instructions. Okay, we have to apply the instructions in our daily life so that we can keep our alimentary canal healthy, digestive system healthy. Okay, chewing food properly helps to break it down into smaller pieces. Don't eat quickly, don't swallow the food quickly. First, when you take the food to the mouth, you have to chew properly, convert maximum into smaller particles of the food. When we chew for longer time, the saliva gets more time to act on the food. The digestive enzymes in the saliva help in digestion. Maximum first digestion process in mouth only start. So when we eat more time the food, the lot of saliva releases. Saliva contains digestive enzyme which helps to digest the food properly. Chewing for a longer time moistens the food and makes it easier to pass through the digestive tract. Okay. We already took a look over digestive system. Eating long time, it helps to make the food soft and moist, and it is easy to pass through the digestive tract. If we don't chew our food properly in mouth, it will take longer to digest the larger food particle in stomach. This can disturb the process of digestion. Okay, this will disturb the function of digestion. If we eat suddenly, we have to chew properly. If not, what happen? It will disturb to the digestive system. And last one, if digestion doesn't take place properly, it can lead to problems like indigestion, heartburn and constipation. Okay, these are the adverse effect. These are the effect of not chewing the food properly. So we have to give the importance for digestion process. We have some in our hand. What are those? Instructed list we have to follow. We have to chew the food very well. Take more long time and swallow it. As you have to do like that, your digestion process will go regularly and healthy. Okay. Yes, this is about need for chewing the food well. Next, my dear students, need for regular bowel movements. I will stop afterwards after explaining this. Next, I will send you another video of excretory system. Need for regular bowel movements. Yes. If digestion is not carried out properly, it leads to difficulty removing undigested from the body. This is called irregular bowel movements. We have to go for toilet regularly. Okay, do the excretion regularly. It keeps our body healthy. If not, what happen? Some problem will get rise. So you have to go for toilet every day, each and every day, at 1 or 2 times per day. Yes, this is called what? Bowel movements. Bowel movements. First one, regular bowel movements ensure that waste and toxins are eliminated from the body regularly. Regular bowel movements, that the process is called going toilet and do the excretion. That is called what? Bowel movement. That process is called bowel movement. Okay, we have to go regularly per day. At least we have to do the excretion 2 times. Regular removal of body waste prevents digestive disorder and keeps our body healthy. Yes. If regularly we go to toilet, it help us to protect protect our digestive system from any disorders. Removal of body waste and diet can also prevent diseases related to digestive system. Okay, removal of waste toxin, not only waste products inside the stomach. Okay, inside the digestive system, some toxins substances are also there. So we have to remove them regularly, so that keep our digestive system strong and healthy. Okay, this is about digestive system, my dear students. You have to read the complete chapter once, and you are able to write questions that asked in the exercise. Okay, I have earlier I have said you have to prepare your own notes. What I said, you have to fill in the blanks question and correct options, multiple choice question. You have to answer in textbook only. You have to write questions answer for short answer type. Okay, short answer type question you have to answer them, and otherwise you can answer in textbook only. Use the pencil and answer in textbook wherever it is required. Okay. Okay, my dear students, hope you understood the chapter very well. Okay, thank you, my dear students. In the next video, I will explain you about excretory system. Once again, thank you.